guys, and welcome to today's manifestation moment. I am Beauty Heathen, and the purpose of these videos is to try to help each of us attract our dreams. So with all that said, let me shuffle this deck up real quick and see what message from the universe we have to help us focus on our manifestation. It's rare that cards just pop out, so when they do, it's generally a sign that they're meant to be part of the reading. Some days it takes a little bit more shuffling until I feel stop. Almost done. Okay. So 2021 is actually numerologically a 5-year. So it's very interesting to me that the very first card that popped out was the number 5, and it says the best is yet to come. If you want more information on that, I recommend the channel Vanessa I always butcher her last name. Vanessa Simanoia. I'll link her channel down below. She has really great information regarding numerological readings. There's also another reader. I can't remember her channel at the moment, but I will also link her down below as well for the same reason. I am always growing and transforming. I am aligned with my desire and purpose. I feel wealthy every day. My desires are destined to become reality. And last card, everything is happening for me. So, not a single one of the journaling cards popped out, although that's something I always recommend as a healthy habit to assist you with your manifestation practices. A lot of what I'm seeing here is all in the positive mindset affirmations. So I know that 2020 was an extremely difficult year. There's just no getting around it. It was a killer of a year. And I know the energy for 2020, at least wise, with regards to some remnant energy and things yet left undone, is likely going to last through April to June. I get the sense that like around mid-April we may start seeing some things ease up a bit, and from that point to June, sometime in June, things start to improve more steadily. So right now, while we're still in this strange energy left over from 2020, now is especially the perfect time for you to really start. If you have a goal and you haven't started working on it, start working on it now. Do your research, get everything lined up, start putting some sort of real plan into place. If you have been struggling mentally, especially between quarantine and everything else going on in the world, it's important to try to find something to lift your spirits. And it doesn't really matter what that is, but when it comes to turning your life around and manifesting the things that you truly want to have happen in your life, it helps, even if it's like 10 focused minutes a day, not only to research and start formulating some sort of plan if you, for example, want to start your own business, anything of that nature, but also it really helps to do even a 10-minute meditation each day, really getting in a positive mindset. Now, I'm not talking about toxic positivity, and I'll link that video up here. That is not what I'm saying, because I do not adhere to life having to be all light and fluffy. That's not reality. But if you can start your day off each day in a mindset of gratitude, giving thanks to even 3 things that are going on in your life or that you have already, and then add to it 3 things that you wish to manifest, but write them as if you have them already, it helps the universe synchronize with what you wish to manifest and help speed it up happening. Now, with that said, as a constant thing that I have said in these videos, you may, in 2021, want to add 3 affirmations to help you stay in a mindset of knowing what you want is coming to you very quickly. So, again, this very first card was the best is yet to come. And look at all the money flow. So, all of these cards are very reminiscent to me of affirmations. I do see, for some of you, you may still be in that cocoon phase where you need to pop out of it and shed away that cocoon and transform into a butterfly. So hang in there. If you're not quite there yet, where you feel like you're transforming into who or what you need to be in order to manifest what you want, still do your journaling, still do all of these things, because it will help you with that transformation process and that growth. By writing things like, I am aligned with my desires and purpose, it helps the universe ensure that you are aligned with it and stay aligned with it. I have said before that having a positive mindset about money, viewing money as a positive thing, which I know is extremely hard when you are struggling financially. I have been there, and I know how difficult that can be, not to resent money, not to hate money because you don't have it. I know how hard it can be. But by changing your mindset and switching up your energy to one of viewing money in a very positive way, it helps bring it to you, even in unexpected ways. So this, I feel wealthy every day, and even if you spend 5 minutes a day imagining money raining down on you, literally, You know, even if they seem like something silly, it can help. Holding on to the faith that your desires are destined to become a reality. Things will manifest. The things that you dream of and the things that you wish for are coming to you. And everything is happening for me. So, first card is the best is yet to come, and the last one ends with a feather. So, I get a very strong sense that 2021 is going to be a hugely transformative year for so many people and in so many ways. It may be a bit chaotic, so I'm going to forewarn you to hold on to your seat, because things may start happening for you in very unexpected ways, in ways you cannot even imagine happening. Okay? So just be prepared for that as much as you can. Just be prepared that things may be happening for you in a very chaotic, very spur-of-the-moment way. But I see it largely being positive for most people and having a positive effect in the long run. Okay? So I hope this Manifestation Sunday has brought you some positive news, and take care of yourselves, and I will be back tomorrow with a brand new reading. And with all of that said, until next time, I wish you all the brightest of blessings, and blessed be.